Hello, today I am explaining in this video is how to applying formula in table by MS Word. It's a very simple and easiest way to applying formula in MS Word. Let's move. Hello and welcome to Tech Word. We are here to make sure you will be able to use MS Word in simple and easiest way. Thanks for watching our digital video tutorial. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech World. Dear friends, here we are creating a simple employee salary slip for sample purpose. In this condition, we want to use calculator for calculating the employee salary. In Word, there is no need to use the calculator for calculating salary slip. So, we are explaining how to calculate the salary without calculator. We are using simple formula by clicking on the trick. So how to insert formula? Let's move. In MS Word, you can see the layout tab. Click on the layout tab. In right side, you can see the formula. Before that, where the formula you want to insert. Now I am inserting formula in this gross salary tab. So click on the insert tab and click to formula. The pop-up will open. In pop-up, it's asking the formula is equal to sum in bracket left. We want to calculate this area left side of the cells. So we can choose the left and number format. In this condition, the LATA format will be shown. So we are choosing 2-digit decimal. The second one we can choose it. And paste function, we don't want to use this paste function. So we are using simple formula for calculating. So click OK. The total amount will be begin. In this condition, one more thing. There is no drag and drop option is available. Excel, it is available. In MS Word, it is no drag and drop facility is available. So you can click every time, go to the formula, select in left and choose the number format, click OK. The rest of the cells you can do it fastly. Number format, second one, click OK. Formula, number format is selection, OK. Now we are calculating the all of the left side cells values. Salary, bonus and overtime is came to here in gross salary. Now the whole month expenditure we want to calculate here. So click on the cell and again go to the formula and select above. We want to calculate the above of the monthly salary and choose the number format and click OK. The total expenditure is 2,65,200 rupees is the month of expenditure. It is a very simple and easiest way to calculate the salaries in the month of expenditure. Dear friends, this is the end of our video tutorial. If you have any kind of problem, just comment on our comment box. We are shortly reply to your question. You are watching first time in our channel, kindly hit to subscribe button and choose all notification in the bell icon. It will help to watch our future video in your YouTube page under notification. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next video. For the time being, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.